name is Jenny Rincahinday.
And I'm Edward B. Santos and from Onyx.
We are the Group 3 and this is our project.
We are talk about the AVR or Automatic Regulator Voltage.
AVR or Automatic Voltage Regulator is a machine that automatically maintains a constant level of voltage.
This is the outer part of the AVR and it is protect the inner part.
This is the switch. It's an electrical component that can break on electric circuit.
LED. This is the LED. It is the light internal diode produced that is assembled into the lamp or light bulb for use in lighting fixture.
Wiring, in general, refers to enclosed conductors used to carry electric and associated devices.
Plug. Connecting end of the cord on an electrical device. And this is the fuse.
Fuse is a type of low resistance resistor that acts as a sacrificial device to provide upward current protection of either the load or source circuit.
The outlets. An electrical outlet that may also be referred to as an electrical replacement or electrical socket.
This is the transformer. It's an electrical device that transforms energy between two circuits through electromagnets induction.
And this is the fuse holder. A socket or metal diff that allows for easy replacement of a fuse. And this is the capacitor. Is a passive two-terminal electrical component used to store energy electrically in the electric field.
Resistor is a passive two-terminal electrical component that implements electrical resistance as a circuit element.
Transistor. This is the transistor. Is a semiconductor device used to amplify and switch electronic signal and electrical power.
Printed circuit board. An electronics circuit consisting of thin strips of a conducting material such as copper.
Now we are assemble the AVR. First, we put this into yun. Then we screw it. Then we put the fuse inside the fuse holder. Lastly, we put the case to protect the inner part. And we are finished the AVR. Thank you for watching.